So, ito yung view. Nandito kami sa cable car. Across the River Thames of London. Ayan. So, that's the view. Like a twin building, that one there. Ayan. Ayan. And that one is it's called
O2.
the O2 Arena. It's down there. Yeah. So that's all the building around. Yeah. It's a little bit hazy, not hazy, it's what you call that?
Oh, it's overcast.
Overcast, yeah. So, ito naman, ikot ko kayo. So, ito, yan. Yan, cable car. At ito yung River Thames. Yan. So, yeah. So, yan ang River Thames, London. Yan, yun ang O2 Arena, guys. Kasi yung white building, yung white ano dyan. Yan. Yan. Ikot-ikot. So, nandito kami sa loob ng cable car. Yan. So, ito yung view, guys. Yan. Dito yan sa London. It's quite long though, isn't it, Dad?
Yeah, it's just over 1 kilometer.
Over 1 kilometer. Yeah. So, ikot ko kayo. Dito makikita na ito yung ano. Ito yung O2 Arena. Yeah. Yan siya. So, kaya na yung view dyan. Yeah. Yan. So, yan ang view from the cable car. Yeah. It's not busy today. I think they're more busier in the summertime. So that's the view. That's the O2 Arena. Yan. Yung white dome. Yan ang O2 Arena, London. Yan. It's a little bit overcast today. Yan. Yan. So, ikot mo. That's si Daddy George. Yan. Ito naman dito sa kabila na view. Yan, guys. Yan. This is a good panoramic view, Daddy, isn't it? A view.
Well, you can see the airport.
Oh.
The city airport.
Yeah. You see the city airport? It's quite close. It's not far away from here, guys. This a funny building here. What's it called? This one here. So, yan the train sa baba. Yan.
I think that's City Hall.
City Hall. Okay. So that's a part of a river Thames as well. The one there.
So City Hall.
Yeah. So here now, on the cable station, that is not far now. So this is a City Hall, this building, guys. Yeah. Yeah. So, malapit na tayo sa cable car station. So, ito ikot ko din kayo. Yan ang view dito sa baba, the other side. Yan. River Thames. Yeah, one. It seems like there's no shopping area here. There's a Crown Plaza.
Then go to that.
Yeah, it's going to land. So there's a cable car station, guys. This one here. Ayan. Ayan. Malapit na tayo. Bababa. Tapos ito pala yung ano. Ito yung City Hall, guys. Oh. Ayan. Yan ang City Hall nila. Ayan. Dito na area. Ayan. Malapit na tayo. Ayan. Dito na yung cable car station. Ayan. I'm gonna sit down because it will be bumpy. Ayan. So, nandito na tayo, guys. Oops. Ayan. Magalaw na siya. Ayan.